When it comes to interior design in Malleswaram, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is undoubtedly one of the top interior designers in the area. With their innovative designs and impeccable attention to detail, SCON Design has established a reputation for creating stunning and functional spaces that perfectly reflect the client's style and needs. The team at SCON Design is composed of highly skilled professionals who are passionate about creating unique and personalized interiors that enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of any space. Their expertise in the field of interior design has earned them the trust and admiration of their clients, making them one of the most sought-after interior designers in Malleswaram, Bangalore. What sets SCON Design apart from other interior designers is their commitment to delivering excellence in every project they undertake. They understand that each client has unique requirements and preferences, and they work closely with them to ensure that their vision is brought to life. With their vast experience and expertise, SCON Design has the ability to transform any space into a beautiful and functional environment. Whether it's a residential or commercial project, their team of top interior designers can create spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also highly functional. SCON Design takes pride in their ability to stay up to date with the latest trends and innovations in interior design. They constantly strive to push boundaries and explore new ideas, ensuring that their designs are always fresh and unique. Their team of top interior designers is well-versed in different design styles, ranging from contemporary to traditional, and can adapt their approach to suit the client's preferences. This versatility allows them to create spaces that are timeless and will stand the test of time. When it comes to finding the top interior designers in Malleswaram, Bangalore, one name that stands out is SCON Design India Private Limited. With their expertise and creativity, they have earned a reputation for being one of the best in the industry. SCON Design is known for their innovative and unique designs that transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. They understand the importance of creating a space that reflects the client's personality and preferences, and they strive to exceed their expectations in every project they undertake. What sets SCON Design apart from other interior designers is their attention to detail and commitment to quality. They believe that every element in a space should work together harmoniously to create a cohesive and visually stunning design. From selecting the right materials and furniture to choosing the perfect color palette, they leave no stone unturned to ensure that every aspect of the design is flawless. With a team of highly skilled professionals, SCON Design has the expertise to handle projects of any scale and complexity. Whether it is a residential or commercial space, they have the knowledge and experience to deliver exceptional results. They understand that every client